Welcome to Diski Diary, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to like the show so that we can have more reach on YouTube. And remember to subscribe if you haven't. Guys, big game between Kaizer Chiefs and Kukune United. Let's have a look at the starting lineup. Kaizer Chiefs esifeature ama-new signings uMabowe no Khanyiso Mayo. I will put that on the screen for you without further ado. Let us discuss that on the comments below. Yeah, so guys, let me put it for you now. There it is. Yeah, guys, ngiyabona lapha emuva Kaizer Chiefs have not conceded, so there is no reason why Peterson should go off. Remember, also the rumors, as I've been discussing, the rumors ukuthi Untwari he is going on loan is not true. Untwari he has been sitting on the bench. He has overtaken Ubvuma laphayana ku-packing order. So yeah, Ulokhuzana he will be sitting on the bench. Untwari Peterson maintains his place as number one. Thabiso Monyane rated as the best signing, guys. I gave him the number 5-star rating. Omonyane hasn't put the foot wrong. Deserves to be in the Bafana team. He's come back. He played a blinder of a game, keeping Ulukman in his pocket during that game against in Nigeria. So yeah, Monyane number two. He will be playing that position. Miguel also he's been a mainstay laphayana ku-center back. So Miguel he will be starting the game as well. Quinika, I also have him there. Although, guys, the latest news, I will just give you a quick update. Kuleya position. Ulokhuzana, Udotli, he is back in training. He is in contention to start. That is Udotli having recovered. In terms of match fitness, uye wadlala 30 minutes versus Siwelele, that 3-2 win abayidlalile during the international break. So that is Udotli. Dotli, guys, he is back in training, and so is Eden McCarthy. But I think Eden McCarthy will be sitting on the bench. So Zita Quinica, as you can see, I have Zita Quinica in the starting lineup. They did not concede in the last game. So there's no reason to fix something that is not broken. And yeah, the Marco completes the back line with Dlala laphayana left back. So yeah, Paseko Marco also winning a man of the match. I think he has not put a foot wrong. I think he just needs to be careful. Magakupuga laphayana against this Kukune United. He needs to be timeless and needs to be clever. Both of them, especially that side, Yaga Monyane. Monyane needs to be very careful. Maga overlap because Umakhalwa, Okeleto Makhalwa will be looking to cheat and use that space. Magakupuga Umonyane, he will want to exploit that space. So Thabiso Monyane and I think Umtetwa, whether it's Umtetwa or Tele, whenever Akupuga Umonyane, one of them definitely has to stay behind and cover that space. Because I know Eric Tinkler is a very shrewd tactician. He will want to exploit that space. And if there is one coach that knows how to beat Kaiser Chiefs, it is Eric Tinkler from his time at Supersport, from his time at Maris. I foot lapha Marisbeck, Bereisha kakhulu Kaiser Chiefs. And also his time at Cape Town City. Yeah, it's one coach that knows how to get the better of Chiefs. But yeah, guys, there is also a Nabi factor. So it is not that old Kaiser Chiefs that he used to beat. So guys, let me come to the midfield without further ado. Ucele Nomteto, they'll be playing that double pivot. Yeah, I think they've been the main reason why Kaiser Chiefs they have not conceded. So there's no reason kumele kushintshwe laphayana ucele umthethwa they should be able to start. And then just in front of them, I have Umabowe. Mabowe, having that Nabi saying he's got that game intelligence, giving him a compliment. Remember, guys, Umabowe and he also played in the 3-2 win over Siwelele. So uMabowe, he slots in front of Ucele Nomthethwa. And as a right forward, just next to uMabowe, Lilepo, he is going to start there in that position. That is Claudie Lilepo. And then on as the left forward, Modi starts on that position. And then the Maki signing Khanyisa Mayo. We don't know whether he will surpass his dad's goals tally, Patrick Mayo. Khanyisa Mayo becoming the second player edlalela Kaizer Chiefs following his father. Uh, Also, Eden McCarthy. His dad played alongside Fabian McCarthy. I don't know whether Kaizer Junior went ngamabomu because those used to be his teammates. So I think Kaizer Junior, he used to play with Fabian and he used to play with Fabian and Patrick Mayo as teammates, and that's why he has signed their sons. I think that is purely I'm signing Waka Kaizer Jr. Kaizer Jr., let's give him his props, let's give him his flowers, let's give him his dues. He has brought equality to Kaizer Chiefs. So yeah, guys, as you can see on the screen, that is the starting lineup. But let's be realistic. That is not the Kaizer Chiefs that is going to play. Let me put the more realistic starting lineup. Unabi azodlala, guys. I will put that for you now. Okay, ngiyabona laphayana emuva Peterson, Monyane, uMiguel Kunika Makwa kuchintshanga next midfield. Laphayana double pivot uCele Nomthethwa. Nothing changes there. However, masosifika laphayana uLilepo, we don't change him uLilepo. Potential player of the season. If Kaizer Chiefs, they can go on a winning streak, but maintain a position about Goyo. I don't think Lilepo will have much competition for player of the season, but we will see because there are other good players so far. There are other candidates, but it will depend on Kaizer Chiefs overall. But I think Lilepo, for me, he's been the outstanding player so far for PSL. And then laphayana kuMabowe, angeke uMabowe astarte. I think Umdu, having come back from the national team, he's been starting, he's been playing that role. Umdu will die. So I think Umdu will slot in that position. And then Umodi, he will slot in right next to him. And then instead of Khanyisa Mayo, I think Wandile Duba, he will start. He will start. So yeah, that is probably the more realistic starting lineup, guys. Unabi azoidlala because it relies on Wandile Duba, relies on relies on Modi, and relies on Lokhuzana Ulilepo ukuthi bayenze that high press because the Chiefs, they tend to force a lot of errors from their opponents. And this Kukune, they are one team that likes to build from the back, and I think Kaizer Chiefs, they can take advantage of that. That central pairing, I'm not convinced. And Iskukune sithanda ukushiya space between their lines, between the defense and midfield. And I think a clever player like Sirino can take advantage of that. Let me show you. Let me show you their weakness, guys, and play this video for you.
Caught in possession, Ellis Ramana, and there's numbers forward here for the Maroon side. They find the back of the net. Classic strike at Salford FC, Porto Stadium Zaputo Nkati FC. A couple of seasons ago, Tiani scored his first goals in the colours of the Winelands club. Stellenbosch FC lead by 3-0 on aggregate. It's exactly what the doctor ordered for Steve Barker.
Yeah, I think the ref done excellent there to allow play to continue. There was a foul, and Mtiani took his opportunity. Caught him on the counter.
Possession.
Lisibanku wasika ibhola enhle kwela cala lali thuba layo Stannis number 2 Devon Titus.
Yeah, guys, that is Nibonile weakness here, Sikukune, and I think a player like Sirino, who is able to take long shots, and a player like Olokuzana, Lilepo can also take advantage of that weakness. Yes, Sekhukhune. So yeah, guys, and then to complete the lineup, I think Lokhuzana, Flavio Silva will come in later for Umdu. Umdu tends to do a lot of Duba tends to do a lot of running press while pressing, and siyambona laphana in the second half of games uyakhathala. Bona mase bamfakela ama-through pass, so umbone ukuthi sekaphelelwe umoya. So I think that's when Flavio Silva will come in. Bonile in the last game, he came in and he scored his debut goal. So yeah, I think this is how the lineup is going to look. I know I put that one, Mabowe, no Kanyisamayo. That is not the lineup for a game, guys. This is more of a realistic starting lineup. And yeah, guys, Lokhuzana Lina, I know their goalkeeper will be very important, linked with Kaiser Chiefs, azange kuyenzeke. But yeah, Peterson is proving himself. Uguti, he is worth it. Even Abu Brian Baloy, they used to criticize. I saw Brian Baloy complimenting. So I like that from Mama Legends. Maubona Intembi, they speak out, and then Maubona Intentle, they speak out, and that's how it should be, guys. And also Utabang Monare in the middle of the park, he will be very vital already in Shilo Ukeleto. Yeah, he tends to cut in a lot. We need Umonyane to be very wary, and I also have already said ucele umthetho makakhuphuka uLokhuzana Umonyane, they need to cover for him because Ukeleto will be looking to cheat, and he will be looking to use Bradley Grobler. So Kaizer Chiefs must not concede free kicks in front of their box, guys, because Iskukune, they are very much deadly with those set pieces. So if Kaizer Chiefs are going to give away set plays, I think that flawless defensive record is Opel. So it will all depend on fouls in front of the box. So Umiguel, no, Quinica, they need to be very careful on how they play and avoid making fouls. Guys, the latest news involving EPSL is that in Napoli, they are scouting. Napoli is the Italian Giants Serie A champions. They are scouting Umbogazi. So Umbogazi, it's in the initial stages or initial process of transfer. I understand Giovanni, who is the sporting director, Napoli, he came to South Africa to watch the player Bafana mayidlala Lokhuzana Nigeria. We saw Umbogazi doing very well in that game, and yeah, Napoli, they've been impressed. Unfortunately for Umbogazi, he won't be playing in the World Cup, so he won't be getting exposure. I don't know whether if Orlando Pirates and not trying to lose him early because they still have the Champions League. So yeah, guys, that is Umbogazi. Umbogazi Yafuna. Even that some of the giants like Napoli, they are scouting him. That means one thing, he's got a bright future. And yeah, as I've already said, guys, the likes of Abototli, Nabom Simang, they are back in the Kaizer Chiefs team. Cross Naye, he's recovered from flu. And Chislet is also recovered from flu. We don't know whether Chislet will have any game, will get any game time against this Kukune. I think he will not. I think he just needs to wait for his chance. Chislet, it's a long season. Former Kaizer Chiefs player Pimeminyana, Caleb Pimeminyana, ukorile on debut for Saudi side Jeddah Club. Caleb udlala laphayana on the same league, udlala ku-second division, same division as former Kaizer Chiefs striker Chivaviro having recently been signed. Yeah, that is the two Kaizer Chiefs former strikers Chivaviro no Pimeminyana playing in the same league laphayana Saudi Arabia in the second division. And also Sundowns, as I've indicated they are looking to sign Mothesinho. Mothesinho, I wanted to play a video for you. It's Lucas Ribeiro's replacement, but it's going to be a long show, so probably I will do that for you in the next one. So if you want to see Mothesinho, how he plays, how he looks, yeah, make sure that you watch the next show. And yeah, guys, I think I've come to the end of the show. Remember to like and remember to subscribe. Congratulations to Orlando Pirates having won MTN 8 as I've predicted. I know, guys, I'm a prediction. I'm a spot on. Ngishilo ukuthi they will, the new signings will affect the game. And in Bonile Lapayana, Ngena Lokhuzana, Police coming in with that assist, and also Moremi getting a brace. So yeah, congratulations to Bucks. Umona Pansi, guys. I know they definitely are proving to be the new Cup Kings. So yeah, guys, make sure you watch that game Lokhuzana 7:30 on Tuesday, Kaizer Chiefs between Sekhukhune United. Drop your thoughts on comments. What do you think of those starting lineups? If you have your own starting lineup, you can just maybe drop it there on the comment section. And yeah, sizobona whether Ukhanyiso Mayo uzongena. I don't think he is ready for the next two games. This game is Sekhukhune angeke adlale, and then the next one against iKuboskop laphayana ku-CAF Confederations Cup. Ukhanyisa Mayo, he will also he was not registered for iCAF Confederations Cup. So yeah, sizombona only towards the end of September. So guys, if you are looking to see debut Khanyisa Mayo, you might only be able to see Khanyisa Mayo towards the end of the month. So yeah, guys, yeah, remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. Cheers. Bye bye.